Hello! Ale! Welcome to my vlog, Ses Cucina Vlog. And as usual, hello sa lahat ng mga Cucinatics here and abroad. We're going to have another recipe. It just occurred to me na talagang napakamahal na ng bilihin. My husband and I wanted to eat. Nag-craving kami for tacos. Okay? Taco, it's a Mexican snack. Pagka mahal-mahal pala ngayon, dalawang taco na ganyan would actually cost you more than 300 pesos. Iilang piraso lang pagkatapos you're going to spend that much. Gawa na lang ako. At yun ang gagawin ko ngayon kasi nagki-crave na naman kami for tacos. Okay? So, itong ating mga ingredients. Okay? Of course, the star of the show is our beef na isosote natin sa onions, garlic, tomato sauce. Lalagyan natin ng of course, we're going to need mga shells, taco shells, wansoy, at ating romaine lettuce, and our cheese. So, mainit ng ating kawali. We will do the beef first. Put some oil in your pan. Once it's hot, susutayin natin siya with onions. Hindi ko masyadong dinamihan ng ating oil because this is beef, no? So, pagka nagsasaute ka ng beef, magmamantika yan. Ayoko naman ng sobrang mantika. So, ito lang, parang hindi lang dumikit yung onions at saka yung ating garlic. Pag medyo umiba na ang kulay ng ating onions, we're going to put in our garlic. And the star of our show, the beef. Ito yung gusto ko sa home cooking Because if you're the one cooking, naku, hindi tipid yung ingredients. Usually kasi if you buy a taco outside, bibili ka, konti lang yung beef. Na hindi ko siguro mabe-blame kung may business ka na ganun kasi sobrang mahal ng beef ngayon. Pero kung kayo ang magluluto, you can have all the beef that you want. So yun ang sinasabing, wala ka man masyadong datong, kung nalang magluto, may dating ka pa. Tama? Okay. So, nagtubig muna yung ating beef, tapos nag-evaporate na siya. So, yun ang sign na luto na siya. Let's not overcook our beef kasi maninigas siya, Tsaka pag beef, hindi naman masyadong, unlike pork, ang pork kailangan matagal ang luto. So, now we're ready to season the beef. Of course, ang ating salt. Ang ating pepper. Okay. And now, we're ready to put in our tomato sauce. Actually, ang maganda dito, tomato paste. But since I don't have tomato paste, okay na rin ang tomato sauce. Okay? Lalagay na natin siya. Konti lang, para lang magkaroon siya ng lasa ng tomato. Ganito lang just magkaroon lang ng color yung beef na medyo, it's gonna make it a little orangey, okay na yon. So, maglalagay tayo ng cumin, C-U-M-I-N. Yan ang isang spice na ginagamit sa Mexican cooking. Cumin, konti lang. And then, just a little bit of sugar kasi naglagay tayo ng ating tomato sauce. Ganun lang, mabalance out lang. Okay? Pansinin nyo, nagmamantika na siya, Okay, may konting moisture pa, so sige lang. Let us taste. Salt. Pepper. Ganun talaga, Pag nagkukook ka, huwag mo ibigay todo kaagad. Tikim ka lang ng tikim so that malalaman mo kung if it's enough. And the beef is done. At ang gagawin natin ngayon ay, of course, i-assemble na natin ating tacos. Okay? So, kailangan natin ng taco shells. Pwede ninyo itong bilhin sa grocery. Pwede ninyong i-order online. Pwede nyo ring gawin na kayo mismo ang gagawa nito. Kaya lang, matrabaho. Kaya, bahay na lang ako. Okay? And now, let's fill up the shell. Gagawa muna tayo ng bed. Hindi natin pwedeng unahin yung ating beef kasi since mabasa siya, lalagyan natin siya ng ng gulay para hindi maging malabsak yung ating shell, malutong pa rin siya. So, lalagyan natin siya ng pananggalang. Okay? Yan ang gusto ko sa taco, you know. It's a complete meal. May gulay, may beef, may whatever. And then, tsaka natin sasaksakan ng ating beef. This is what I like about home cooking. You can have as much beef as you want. Depende kung carnivorous ka. Okay? See? Hindi nagiging soft ang shell ninyo. Okay? And then, you can put on the other arte-artes. Like, for example, your tomatoes. Now, if you're fond of onions at wala kayong date, kayo lang, edi maglagay ng onions. And of course, we will have to top it with our cheese. Pwedeng ordinary cheese. Okay. Oh, the kids, they would love this. And for our last arte-arte, of course, we will have our wansoy. Kung gusto niyo pa ng sour cream, pwede, mas masarap. Kaya lang syempre, additional gastos yon. Pero ito, very basic, pwede na. Pero kung gusto i-push, sour cream is the best. And now, for the taste test. Ang lutong, di ba? Ang sarap. May mga soft shell tacos. Pero, I like the crunch of this. Lutuin nyo to. Kayang-kaya ninyong gawin, kayang-kaya ninyong bilhin, enjoy pa kayo. Pag umorder kayo sa labas, nako ang sobrang mahal. Tacos for the win! And so, isa pa. And so, there we have it! Viva Mexico! Kung gusto ninyong maiba naman ng snacks o baon ng inyong mga anak at gusto niyo magpa-impress, punta lang kayo dito sa ating kusina. All of you are welcome. Magtawag at i-share sa lahat ng tao para naman lahat tayo may cooking na mangyayari sa ating mga buhay. If you want to support my channel, please like, comment down below, share, subscribe. Once you're here, ikaw, ako, sila, tayong lahat na mga Cuisinatics ay magkakaroon ng dating. Remember, kahit wala tayong datong, di ba? So, let's have a pleasant Mexican night by doing our tacos. Bye!